Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by detangling the ends. Soak just the hair in warm water with a drop of shampoo to loosen grime, because dirt locks knots. Use clips to divide hair into 3 or 4 sections so you can work methodically. Now apply a small amount of conditioner to the ends. This lubricates fibers and prevents breakage. Once done, let conditioner sit 3–5 minutes while you prepare a soft towel and the wide-tooth comb. Make sure the doll is stable before you begin combing. You continue by massaging conditioner through each section. This restores smoothness and reduces static, which is why you must be thorough. Start finger detangling the worst knots. This lowers tension so the comb doesn't pull fibers out. Then, with the wide-tooth comb, stroke from the tips toward the roots in short, controlled passes, 1 to 2 inches at a time, so you prevent stretching. Once the hair slides freely, rinse with cool water to seal the synthetic cuticle and gently. You finish by shaping the style while damp and letting the hair air dry on a bottle or doll stand. Heat can melt synthetic fibers, so avoid dryers unless label allows low heat. After drying, smooth with a tiny amount of leave-in conditioner or a diluted fabric softener mixed to reduce static and restore shine. If a spot remains matted, reapply conditioner and gently work it out. If fibers are frayed, trim the damaged ends cleanly. If things go wrong, recondition and repeat. Patience prevents further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.